Imagine a world where the boundaries between your mind and the digital universe begin to blur. Picture your thoughts seamlessly interacting with technology, allowing you to control devices, communicate, or even express yourself without ever moving a muscle. This is the promise and reality of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, a direct communication pathway between the brain and external devices, making what once seemed like science fiction a part of our lives. For many people, BCIs represent hope, a way to reconnect, communicate, and regain lost independence, especially for those facing severe physical challenges. When conditions like ALS or spinal cord injuries rob people of movement or speech, BCIs act as a bridge, bypassing damaged nerves to carry messages straight from the brain to the outside world. Every thought, every intention to move, produces tiny electrical signals in the brain, signals that, with the right technology, can be detected and interpreted. BCIs listen to these signals and translate them into commands a computer can understand, opening up a new world of possibilities for those who use them. This allows users to type emails, control prosthetics, or interact with the world, using only their minds. Everyday tasks that once seemed impossible can now be achieved with a simple thought. The technology behind BCIs is complex, involving advanced neuroscience and engineering, but the idea is simple: restore connection where it's been lost. As a neurosurgeon, I've witnessed both the devastation of neurological damage and the incredible resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. BCIs stand at this intersection, offering new ways for body and mind to function together, and giving people opportunities they never thought possible. The journey is just beginning, but already, BCIs are changing lives, inspiring hope, and pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. This is a story of science, courage, and the unbreakable desire to be heard, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of connection. BCIs start with the brain's natural electrical activity, which is constantly generated as we think, feel, and move. Billions of neurons fire signals to control everything we do, from the smallest twitch of a finger to the most complex thoughts and emotions. When you intend to move, unique electrical patterns appear in the motor cortex, the region of the brain responsible for voluntary movement. BCIs detect these patterns using sensitive sensors, like placing a microphone in a noisy room to catch a single voice, filtering out the background to focus on what matters. The raw brain signals are complex and noisy, so powerful AI algorithms are needed to decode them and extract meaningful information. These algorithms learn which patterns mean move up or select A, translating the brain's language into clear, actionable machine commands. Once decoded, the command is sent to a device, whether it's a computer screen, a robotic arm, or a speech synthesizer, allowing users to interact with the world in new ways. This process turns thought into action, bypassing damaged pathways and restoring abilities that may have been lost due to injury or illness. The system improves with use, as both the user and the AI learn from each other, adapting to subtle changes in brain activity over time. Training and calibration are essential. Users learn to generate clear signals, and the BCI adapts to recognize them, creating a personalized experience. This biofeedback loop makes the system smarter and more intuitive over time, enhancing both accuracy and ease of use. The result is a remarkable synergy between human adaptability and machine learning, unlocking new possibilities for independence. BCIs restore function and open new channels of communication, giving people a renewed sense of connection and control. The speed and accuracy of this process are improving rapidly, thanks to ongoing research and technological advances. It's a partnership, human and machine, working together to overcome barriers and redefine what's possible for the future. Brain-computer interface, or BCI technology, is rapidly evolving, and it generally follows two main approaches: non-invasive and invasive. Each path offers unique benefits and challenges, shaping how we interact with technology using our minds. Non-invasive BCIs use sensors placed on the scalp, like EEG caps, to detect brain signals without the need for surgery or implants inside the body. These systems are safe, affordable, and easy to use, making them ideal for research, therapy, and even entertainment, such as gaming or virtual reality experiences. In contrast, invasive BCIs require surgery to place electrodes directly on or within the brain tissue, allowing them to capture much clearer and more detailed signals. This higher level of precision enables advanced applications, like controlling robotic limbs for amputees, restoring speech for those who have lost it, or even helping paralyzed individuals regain movement. The choice between non-invasive and invasive BCIs depends on the user's needs. Non-invasive options are great for simple tasks and everyday use, while invasive systems are chosen for complex medical restoration. Researchers are working hard to make non-invasive systems more precise and reliable, while also making invasive implants safer, smaller, and less risky for patients. Some companies are even developing ultra-thin electrode threads that can be implanted with minimal surgery, reducing recovery time and potential complications. Both paths are moving toward the same vision: seamless, intuitive mind-machine connections that feel natural and effortless. The ultimate goal is to tailor BCIs to each individual's unique needs, abilities, and medical conditions, ensuring the best possible outcomes. Innovation in both non-invasive and invasive approaches is driving the field forward, opening up new possibilities for people around the world. The future of BCI technology is a convergence of safety, precision, and accessibility, promising to transform lives in ways we are only beginning to imagine. For people with severe paralysis, losing the ability to communicate is devastating. BCIs create a new channel for their thoughts, translating brain signals into text or speech. This restores not just communication, but dignity and personhood. Imagine sharing a joke or asking for help after years of silence. Modern BCIs are moving toward more natural, faster communication, approaching real conversation speed. They also enable digital interaction, browsing, emailing, connecting online. This combats isolation and restores independence. Communication means regaining control over life's choices. BCIs empower patients to participate in their care and daily life. The psychological impact is profound, restoring hope and purpose. Expressing oneself is at the heart of being human. A recent UC Davis study showed the power of BCIs for speech restoration. Casey Harrell, paralyzed by ALS, received microelectrode implants in his brain's speech center. The BCI decoded his brain signals in real time, reconstructing words he was thinking and speaking them aloud. With a 50-word vocabulary, the system reached 99.6% accuracy after just 30 minutes of training. Even with a 125,000-word vocabulary, it maintained over 90% accuracy. Casey used the BCI for hundreds of hours, finally able to converse naturally with loved ones. This breakthrough proves the brain's speech code remains intact, even when the body can't respond. High-resolution implants and advanced AI made this possible. The study is a blueprint for restoring fluent communication to the nonverbal. For people like Casey, it's not just science, it's hope for a voice. The future of BCI communication is here. AI is rapidly advancing BCI technology. In 2024, Synchron integrated OpenAI's generative AI, letting users compose emails or code with their thoughts. BCIs are also restoring movement. Onward. Medical's ARC BCI helped paralyzed patients regain some control over their legs by bridging brain and spinal cord. Hardware is improving too. New wearable BCI caps are comfortable, easy to use, and require minimal training. These advances make BCIs more accessible for rehabilitation, cognitive enhancement, and daily assistive control. Collaboration and investment are accelerating progress. Regulatory groups and major funding are streamlining development and approval. The result? A wave of breakthroughs bringing BCIs to more people than ever. The global race to develop BCIs is led by the US, with top universities, government funding, and pioneering companies like Neuralink and Synchron. Hospitals and academic centers, such as UC Davis and Mass General, conduct crucial clinical trials. The BrainGate Consortium unites scientists and clinicians to tackle the toughest challenges. Universities drive early research. Companies turn discoveries into real-world products. Asia Pacific, especially China, is investing heavily. Fudan University opened a $56 million BCI center in 2024. Europe is also a key player, with France and Austria leading in research and hardware. This global competition spurs innovation, lowers costs, and speeds up discovery. Companies like BlackRock Neurotech and Emotive offer everything from clinical implants to consumer headsets. As more nations join, the collective knowledge grows, and the path to approved devices becomes clearer. The world's brightest minds are working together to help people overcome neurological disorders. Despite the promise, BCIs face major challenges. Cost is a barrier. Advanced systems and surgeries are expensive. Making BCIs affordable and covered by insurance is essential for widespread use. Regulatory approval is slow and costly, but necessary for safety. New collaborations aim to streamline this process. Ethical concerns are huge. BCIs read our most private data, our thoughts. Who owns this data? How do we protect it from misuse or hacking? Strong privacy and security standards are vital. Technical hurdles remain. Invasive devices must be stable and safe. Non-invasive ones need better signal quality. All BCIs must become more intuitive and reliable for daily life. Solving these issues is as important as the science itself. We're at the dawn of a new era in neuroscience. BCIs are beginning to restore lost function and may soon enhance human abilities. Advances in hardware, AI, and brain science will make BCIs more accessible and effective. The immediate hope is for millions with paralysis or communication disorders. Future BCIs could be less invasive, even injectable, restoring speech and movement naturally. Beyond medicine, BCIs may help retrain the brain after injury, treat mental health, or boost learning. As technology becomes user-friendly and affordable, it could transform brain health for everyone. The journey will have challenges, but the momentum is unstoppable. The future promises connection, restoration, and a deeper understanding of ourselves.